Okay, so I'm so excited about this project. This is like my new favorite thing. It is engraving on the acrylic keychains. I just am so impressed at how it looks so cool. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to make one for my mom. And so I'm going to show you how to do it. This is what image I'm going to use that I uploaded. And I'm going to use this as the measurement of the acrylic keychain that I have. And so all you do is just take the image and you change it from a cut file to engrave. And then you just drag it over and you put it how you want it measured, like, where you want it to fit on here. And also when you grab that, you're going to go ahead and hit attach. So that's together. And what I do for the template, since I don't want it to cut anything out, I just want to use it as a reference for the circle, is I save it as a pen, that it was a cut image, I just did from shapes. And I went ahead and I just turn it into a pen and it works. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this going. And we're going to hit and make it. Okay. And it's thinking about it. Okay. And oopsie, let's go back real quick. I forgot I had another one on there. Let's go ahead and here, I'm going to delete this one since I already have this one. Okay, and then we'll just make sure that this one's attached. Okay, now we're ready. I forgot that I had another one on there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on my mat. And I'm going to put it on between the 3 and the 5. So I just want to center that. And then I'm going to put this on there. So that's what I use the circle for, is just to know kind of as a reference where I should put that. So, okay, cool. So let's go ahead and hit continue. And we're going to select acrylic. So let's go to browse. And we'll slide down to acrylic, and then we're going to hit done. And I'll go ahead and show you how I load it up on the mat. Easiest project to do, especially like if you're new to using your Cricut and you want to make stuff. And to me, this is the easiest. Oh wow, I can't open this. Okay, so I ordered this package on Amazon, and it comes with the little tassels and the keychains, and then the little acrylics. So we're gonna get started with that first, and it has like protection plastic on both sides, and I'm gonna go ahead and just take one of them off, and then that will be the side that I'm going to engrave first. Well, actually the only one. I'm going to engrave that. And okay, so I said I was going to stick this between 3 and 5. So if you see here, between 3 and 5, and then I was going to put it at 1. Okay, so that just kind of gives me an idea, where my engraving will, be. Okay, then you need painter's tape. And you need to secure it to the mat. And that's okay if it gets cut. That's completely fine. It still works. I mean, I try not to, but if it does, that's fine. But I just want to make sure it's secure. Okay. That's it. This is like so simple. And I love the way that this looks compared to like a lot of people have done vinyl on theirs, and I've done that as well, but I like the engravings so much better. Okay, then you have to have the engraving tool, which is 41. Let's switch this out. Okay, and then we're gonna hit it, and let's watch it. So it just finished. And we close this up and move this, and let's take it off the mat. one. Okay, let me throw that away. Let's move the mat out of the way. Okay, so then I use like a lens wipe because we want to clean like the etching where it cuts and there's like debris. And let's also take this plastic off the other edge, the other side. And then we just clean it. I love it. I am so addicted to these. They're just so cute. Okay, so the set comes, you know, with everything that you need for the keychain. So I'm gonna put that in there and put this in here, very simple. And then you just have to close it. Perfect. And then here, I just put this, you can do it anyway. I like to put it here, on here. And so it's done. Isn't that awesome? I love it. It's so cute, so easy. It's definitely a project for anyone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'd love to hear from you and get your comments on if you like this video and if you like this project. And don't forget,